today I'm going to be doing my Nerf gun collection. I'm going to start with the biggest to the smallest. So let me just flip the camera around. When I say biggest one, I mean this one. This is the biggest one I've got. That's how big it is. Let me just shift over, try and get it all in shot. Well, anyway, that's how big it is. That's the name of it. Let that focus. Come on. Not focusing, but okay. This is the one. It takes batteries. It takes those discs. It's hard to take this magazine out without with one hand. 20 Nerf darts. Shove that back in the hole. Yeah, I'm done with that one. Now this is my other one. I think is the biggest. This is probably my most modded one. This is the Rapid Fire Elite. I like this see-through magazine. This is off the Nerf Modulus. I just haven't got that with me here now because my brother's playing with it. Yeah, I'll show you this one. This one takes batteries as well. It's quite comfortable in the hand. I'll take the mag out again. This one takes, oh damn. This one takes 18. Let me try and find it. Oh, there it is. 18. But anyway, that's that. Yeah, I like this scope. Let's see if you can see down it. Oh man, my camera. Well, anyway, that's what it looks like down it. And I have got the original Demolisher. The original one. It's like 7 years old. Yeah. It's got a silencer which comes off. Hopefully I can get it off. Hang on. There we are. To use two hands there for a minute. Look down the barrel. Yeah, this one's cool because like when you press this button, you press it down and then shut that. You can press this button and it opens this. Don't know what that looked like on camera, but yeah, that's the original. The Poroya, I think it's called. Now for the little ones. Down. This one. It's a zombie strike bow. You just get your fingers, reload it. It's comfortable in the hand. Zombie strike. You can fit 4 zombie darts in there. Comes with an aim. And you can put a scope on there too. There's nothing much about this one. Starting to get to the littler ones now. Let me just get my one of my favourite little pistols. The Jolt Mega Strike. It's the comfiest gun I've ever holded, really. There's my name. Yeah, so that's that one. I like it. You can fit 2 bullets on it. Put one there, one down the barrel. But anyway, yeah. And then my other one, the original green pistol one. There's nothing wrong with it because this is like jam shut. But that's that one. Nothing much I really like about that one. Look down the barrel. Yeah, nothing much I like about this one. And then these two, which are exactly the same. They're identical twins. Yeah, these take batteries. So that's that. Let me just put these on the other pile. on my guns. These are just attachments. Attachments for the Nerf modulus hand grip. Pew pew. A suppressor, silencer thing. And then the armrest, which you can put magazine in, any mag. I got a 10. Just pop it right in there. Oh, push it. Yeah, it's in there. I think that looks like a minigun. Pew pew. But that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And see you guys later.